Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Chelsea here, and we are talking about one of my favorite seasons, football season. Now, I love the game, whether it's high school, college, NFL, but what I love even more is the food that comes with it. So I found a recipe from allrecipes.com, hot corn dip. I love the spice, I love the hidden veggies in there. It's super easy. All you have to do is throw it in the oven. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. This is really important because this is really the most time-consuming thing of this whole recipe. Also, we want to talk about our ingredients. They look great. So we have one 15-ounce can of white corn. Drain that, of course. Another can of yellow corn. Keep that drained. One 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We've got our Rotel back here. We got the mild because the spice is what we love, right? We also need to use a whole package of Philadelphia cream cheese, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, chili powder, and then a cup of mild cheddar to go on top to get all that cheesy goodness that we love. Now, the secret ingredient here, the cilantro. I am so excited to try this. Cilantro is one of my favorite things to add to a dish just because I love that fresh taste. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all mixing up. Again, you can find this recipe at allrecipes.com. What I did, I just searched it, something good for a football game, printed it out, but you can even leave it on your device, check it on your phone or your laptop, whatever you're using. So we're gonna get this mixing and then try it out. Close up on the cilantro. All right, y'all, so we got it all mixed up. Look at the creaminess of it. We've got a lot of color in there, the red from the Rotel. We've got the yellow and white corn, and of course, my favorite, the cilantro. So this is packed with a lot of flavor and some spice too. We're gonna go ahead and bake it for about 30 minutes. Now the recipe says bake it for 30 minutes or until it's bubbly. So whichever one comes first. That is the finished product and it looks so delicious. So I haven't tasted it yet. My husband, who is also my photographer today, has. What'd you think? Okay, so husband approved as well. So we're gonna try this. I just have some tortilla chips. I love the gooiness. Again, we just added some cheddar cheese on top before we baked it. It tastes like football, y'all. Allrecipes.com. You can find this recipe, thousands more if you're looking for dinner tonight, maybe something fun to cook with the kids over the weekend. It's all there. So until then, I've got all this dip to myself.